Hey, good morning. Really tired. Today is my first day of going strong with the eating plan of 21 Day Fix. Well, I cannot train, but we'll be back on track after spine surgery. So Monday, February 15, all together. Man, I need makeup. There's this nutritionist who came up with this crazy idea, having first thing in the morning a black coffee with healthy fat. A black coffee with healthy fat. Isn't that crazy? Heavy cream, coconut oil or butter. There's something with the antioxidant and the coffee that works with the fat actually to reduce your own fat. Reduce your own fat. My coconut oil, right? The real deal. See, it looks like that. Cheers. Drink it up. Actually, it's really good. 15th of February, we're back on track. All right, cool.